In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious bread cut pizza recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 6 slices of bread, half a cup of pizza sauce, 1 cup of cheese, and a 1/4 cup of sliced pepperoni. We're going to start by cutting the crust off of each slice of bread. Use a rolling pin to flatten out each bread. Cut slits in each corner of each slice of bread. Spray a muffin pan with cooking oil. Place 1 slice of bread in each muffin cup. Add pizza sauce, cheese, and pepperoni to each muffin. We're going to bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Let cool. Our bread cut pizza is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.